Welcome, Mr. Ward's virtual pre-calc students. If you're looking at this, you've probably gotten to Schoology and saw my link, or you got to Brave Square and got the Zoom, and we had class already. So I want to just talk a little bit specifically about your class, which is going to be different than my hybrid classes. In particular, the fact that we are constantly doing stuff, whether I'm pushing it out to you or you're submitting to me, everything being electronic. We'll have some, there'll be a learning curve, I'm sure, things that I know how to do that you don't, things that you know how to do that I don't, things that we'll figure out together. Again, I think I said in the Brave Square post, I'm excited and nervous. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the class. We will go to Schoology through Brave's link. Have some resources to look at while we talk. This is a virtual class. It meets first period. As it stands right now, we will be meeting every day at 7:35. If through the course of the year we find some things that change, wonderful. If not, that's going to be what our standard practice is. If you go into pre-calc section, start of the year, there's a syllabus we've already done. You probably watch my technology video as well. But again, those are more universal to all my students. This is just about you guys. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're always going to get materials from Schoology, and you're always going to be submitting materials to me through Schoology. Okay? There will be occasion where you'll get materials, hard copies. You already got your textbook, for example. You got the work packet. We can discuss that a little bit more. We'll do that in our meeting tomorrow morning. A lot of times you'll be getting things electronically. There will be occasion when you get a hard copy. All right. As far as class goes, we'll discuss the specifics of work packet projects, assessments, what have you in class. I just want to make sure that you can log into the Zoom meeting correctly, that you can electronically submit work. I like the Adobe Scan phone app. You can download it. It's free. Great way to scan submissions, work that you hand wrote, and turn them into PDF so then you can send them to me. That's what you will be doing for your work that you're going to do for me. You're going to download information, worksheets, what have you. You're going to do work in pencil traditionally like you have done so I can see the process. That's just as important as the final answer. And then you're going to submit it to me through Schoology. There is a naming convention that we're going to follow, but we'll talk about that again in class tomorrow morning. So in the Braves Square message, you should have received the Zoom link for tomorrow morning. If you didn't, it's also in Schoology. It's down at the bottom. This will be the link for every single, right here, third from the bottom, every single Zoom meeting we have, whether it be class, whether it be office hours or math clinic. You can use that. If you do not have a calculator, I want you to fill out this graphing calculator alone, Google form, and I will make it a point to get you by next week on Wednesday. I'll get a calculator signed out for you, and so you'll have one at home. There is also a graphing calculator on your Chromebook. If you can't get to that, or you want to use it but you can't get to it, let me know. Otherwise, you can use the one that you have or the one that you borrowed for the year. All the information is here. We are going to start out the year with the start materials. We are going to do a practice work submission, just a couple simple equations that I want you to solve to the best of your ability. Maybe for some of you they'll all be easy, maybe for some of you they'll be a little harder. It's really more just showing me that you're good at the technology. And also I want to know a little bit about you, your math autobiography. I want you to read this. I want you to write something about yourself and submit that to me by next Monday, the 21st. Again, this is going to be different. I hope that we're going to on a daily basis, have a flipped classroom environment where you'll have already seen the notes, written the notes, what you need to have to grasp the material, done some practice problems. So therefore, when we come to class on that morning, whatever day it might be, we'll get started with, hey guys, you got any questions? We'll share with each other. You'll answer each other's questions. Hopefully we'll create a nice virtual network between you guys as learners as well, maybe even doing some projects and or work packets together virtually. But that will be the primary emphasis for our 42 minutes, answering your questions that you have. I won't be up here lecturing. That'll be off the video you'll get. On those videos, sometimes you'll hear my voice. Sometimes you'll hear Mr. DeSharma's voice. We are the two pre-calc teachers, and we share making those videos for you. If you have any questions about any of that stuff, that's what our 42 minutes is going to be designated. If there are times when we don't need the whole time and you want to use it to get your work done, we can log off and cut it short. Maybe there might be times when we go a little bit long. I'm free second, so I can. I don't know about you guys. And also, you have me available for for office hours, which are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I believe. Tuesday and Friday morning and Wednesday afternoon. Okay? I think that's enough. The technology, again, it's going to be glitchy at times. I think we're all going to be in this together. As I said in the Brave Square message, trust and confidence. We just got to trust each other that we're going to do what's in our best interest, you as learners, me as teacher, and confidence that we have the ability to do those things, or if not, to get that knowledge or to learn together. Again, I'm really excited. Can't wait to get this underway. I'll see you Monday morning at 7:35. Thanks, guys.